We like integrated, we offer engineers, we offer HTML activity. Uh, of course, but what do you want to do with the Shola?
Now, I just want to know
Just
about the live link, and I went to this, to.
oh, okay. No. See, okay, let me give you a simple example first. See, with Pedoco, once you have given me the review link, what was happening when I started reviewing, you can even get it, right?
Yes.
So that was a live session, right? Like whenever I started reviewing on your website, you are able to get my reviews live, right?
Yes. Yes.
The same thing happened with this live view also. And it supports all these formats. That is what it means.
Okay. Then the word open text. What does it have to do? Open.
Okay. Same thing, either reviewing or if a client wants to show their environment for requirement gathering process, they'll show your environment through live viewer. Yes, that's open text, and it's like viewer also. Most of the functionalities are like team viewer. Are you aware of this team viewer?
Which one is team viewer?
Okay. Arjun, I guess you're aware of team viewer. So total team viewer is nothing but it's one more similar application with giving the other control. Let's say, for example, if you and me are using TeamViewer, you can log into my
Oh,
system.
team viewer.
I messaged you. I messaged you.
Yes, team viewer. Yeah.
Yeah, TeamViewer.
Yeah, it's just like a meeting, just like go to meeting of the Zoom that you used the other time.
Yes, but you will be able to log into other environments. Let's say, for example, if I give the control to you, you can use the system right now.
Yes.
Okay, that's one more functionality of this live viewer.
Okay.
So majorly they're concentrating on only first phase of SDLC.
Yeah,
That is requirement gathering. That's the reason they wanted you to go through, have knowledge in all these things.
Yeah.
Got it?
Okay. That's fine.
Anything else?
No problem. We'll talk to them today and see how it will go.
Okay. Sure. What about Zubair? Arjun?
Fine, Sweeney. You can carry on. Yeah. He's on his way.
Okay. Will he be joining?
Yeah, he will be joining.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, fine. So let's go with the new topic, Shola.
Say again?
Let's go with the new topic.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Are you aware of activity diagrams?
Activities diagram. I'm aware. I know it's an UML diagram. And
Yes.
diagram are process flow.
Yes, process flow or data flow diagram.
Yeah.
These are more or less like flow charts for us. Okay, first we'll look into the basic notations and then we'll go the examples on those. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Look at this. This is its notation, and a
Yeah.
circle encircled with one more circle is an end notation. It can be bold one also. Okay, instead of hollow, it can be a bold one too. Now,
Okay.
a task or an activity is given in a rounded rectangle like this.
Yes.
Okay. Now, decision making. Like if at all, if we're supposed to decide upon 2 or 3 cases, the if and else or yes or no, true or false, we use this decision making diamond.
Yeah.
Okay. Then finally, we use start and end, or even called as split and join bars. So whenever we have 2 or 3 activities happening simultaneously, or multiple activities happening simultaneously, we use a start bar to split them, and we use a end bar to join them. Fine?
No, I didn't get that.
Okay, fine. See, whenever we have multiple activities happening simultaneously together, checking inventory and validating customer happens together, we use a start bar like this.
Yeah.
Okay, which splits these two. And we use a join bar once we are done with these two activities.
Okay. Now, the circle up there. Okay. Is that start?
Yes, it's a start.
Okay.
I mean, it may be a hollow one or a bolded one.
No, because it's colored. That's why it looks as if it's
Oh, no. See, usually whenever a circle encircled with another one, that will be end. If it is a simple circle, either bold or hollow one, then it will be a start point for you.
Yeah.
I know I got your confusion. You might be confused with this example, right?
I was confusing with that exactly.
No. Yes, correct. Yeah, it may be a simple or a bold one like this.
Okay. Then the bar, the straight line.
Huh?
The straight line on the top, yes, you are touching it exactly. And the one under, the one you are touching, and the one below it, another straight line, the parallel line, the next line. Why are we using them? Yeah.
This one?
Yes. Why?
This is a joint bar, okay? Joint bar or end bar. Whenever we are done with these two activities, we need to combine them. We need to join them together.
Okay. They are joint bars. Okay. Okay. I get that.
Fine.
Yes.
Anything else?
That's okay.
Okay, good. Now, if you're through with these notations, we'll work on some examples. Fine?
Okay, maybe by the time we work on some examples, I'll get it. Because the process, the two simultaneous process that are between two bars, why do we use shape? Why not rectangular shape?
Oh, no. It's the usual notation. That's it. Activity, this is what we follow, and then there's no hard and fast rule, but these are like best practices. I mean, default rules.
Yeah, default rule. But, you know, if you go back to the maybe page 2 or something, yeah. Exactly.
Even this is fine. A rounded, even a square is a rectangle for you, right?
Yeah, so why don't we use the rectangle that we are using the
We can use that. Yeah, unless and until it is rounded, that's fine for us.
Okay, so I can use either the rectangle or the rounded rectangle. I can
exactly. Yes.
Okay. So they are the same function, they perform the same function.
Maybe when we start looking into some examples, you will be clear with all your doubts.
Okay, let's go through some examples.
Look at this. It's a simple one. I'm starting with a simple one.
Yeah.
Okay. Go through with this and let me know your questions.
Use No, I'm fine.
5 minutes. It's a simple one, right?
Yeah.
Let me go with a little complicated one. Or no, this one. Is this fine?
Okay.
It's about passenger doing a check-in details. Now go through with this thing and let me know your questions.
Provide ticket or ID. Okay. First question I want to ask is that the process diagram. Can two processes come out from it? I thought it's only from decision diagram, the hexagon, the decision diagram. Yes, I believe it's only decision diagrams that can give us two options out. Like now, I'm having 3 stops, 3 ends. At the first one, I'm surprised why I could have a end, and I can also go.
Oh, okay, fine. See, if at all, if your passenger is not a confirmed passenger, that's it. There ends the process for them. They did not proceed further, right?
Okay, but I'm thinking
over here, if he's not giving his security answers, and again they won't process him for further verification. There ends the process again.
Yeah. So my question is that if I want to draw such, I'll put a decision box in that place.
Oh, no, it's not required. If at all, let's say, for example, if we want to include like this, confirm passenger, then verifying answers, in between you have multiple activities going on. You can't include them using a decision box, right? It's a separate activity for you.
Yeah, because for me, if where confirm passenger, I put a decision box there. Passenger confirm, yes, it goes to the next stage, check passport and the rest of it. Passenger unconfirmed, it goes to.
Okay, then you can use it. Yes, perfect. Then you can include a decision making here.
So I can replace this with the confirm box. I can replace it with decision box.
Yes, you can do that. If at all, if it is having two different confirmations to do it. If it is correct, what happens? If it is wrong, what has happened?
Exactly.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying decision box in that place. Good.
Yes, you can include that. Even that is also fine.
Yeah, so for me, in this diagram, I will have 3 decision box. I will have in line 2, line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, line 5. Then I will have in the last one where they have it also.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so if that is it, I think I'm fine. I'm fine if
okay, yeah. So that's what, like, if you can make out. I mean, if you are giving me this option, that means you are through with this activity diagrams.
Yeah.
Let me go with one more example. Okay, is that fine?
That's fine.
Little more complex. I'm looking for a little more complex one. Okay, sure. Why don't you do it from your end? Arjun, I can make you presenter, right? Yeah. So you are the presenter, Shola.
Okay.
Start picking something from your end like this and explain to you. Okay.
So what should I do?
Pick some random example from Google related to activity diagrams and explain me.
Okay. Wow. Okay, let me just go with the first one that I'm seeing. I don't even know what it's there.
Okay, we'll see and we'll finalize.
Okay, that's for which product? It's not too clear, but anyway, customer. Is there a way I can bold this? Oh, that's another one. View image. Okay, good. So are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
But possible zoom in?
Yeah, so the first swim lane, the first two swim lanes is for customer, and the next two one is Google, and the last one is
No, I'm not able to view this. Maybe what I'll do is, I'll open this from my end also. So you start explaining your things.
I hope you were on the same diagram anyway. If you are open from your hand, have you opened it?
No, not yet. Just a second. What are the keywords you have used?
I just used the activities diagram, that's all. Activity diagram samples.
Example, okay. Okay, fine, got it.
And that's the first one. That's the first diagram on it. The first
okay,
image.
okay.
Okay. Now, to explain is at the start. So
No. First, take your time, Shola. Go through with that, then you can explain. I don't want to do it on the go.
Okay, okay.
Done?
Yeah, but and so what I see here is a customer interacting with a Google application. So the client or the customer wants to log into the Google application, and it's only the customer application itself and the provider, the back office person at the Google's office. Those are the three actors. So the customer login, and if he logs in and if he has a user when if he has just used, if he has a user authentication, he will just go through the process by requesting. If he has, he will go through the process, and if he doesn't have, he will have to request for the Google app. Okay. So after requesting for the Google app, the system will authenticate it, and you can also do the sync.
Yes, good.
Yeah. So upon that, it can be able to send his. I don't know what SMAL is.
Okay, it's kind of security thing. Okay, I'll tell you.
Yeah, I get it. So
that
is a protocol. Okay. So that will help him to when he gets that, but when he wants to get the security, the authenticator, that is the identity provider, asks the signal will go to that, and that has to authenticate the user before it can go forward. So once the user is authenticated based on security and he has a right to access the system, then he can return into the, forward his responses, then validate authentication, decline. So there is a decision box. The verification can still be declined. Maybe that's for users valid your password and some other security questions that will be asked before. So there is a decision that at a mid process, the customer can still be declined access or access to the system. So if the client is declined access, it has to, that will be the end of the show if it's declined access. Then if it's able to, if it got authentication, if it's authenticated to go forward, it can now, I don't get that, it says redirect the destination. Okay. Yeah. So for the, in fact, when the client gets okay, yes, I get it now because I'm not saying. So if it's authenticated, then it can redirect its direction of destination, then come into the Google app. And when it comes to Google app, the client will be able to log in completely and do everything in this. Then it is denied. If it's rejected on the decision page, once it's rejected, you will be forced to log out as well and end it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Each and every activity is given, right? Right from customer login to displaying the respective app and showing if at all if there are any errors in between.
Yes.
End to end. So with activity diagrams, we'll be getting end to end functionality of a given application in a top-down approach like this. Shall we go with one more example?
Yes.
Okay. Now, again, the same thing. I want you to pick. Anyways, the bear is not there. So you are supposed to do that. If you're fine with this, I'll assign something on this. Or else we'll go with one more example. That's up to you, Shola.
Let's go with one more example at least.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, then I'll assign something, okay, which you won't be getting from Google.
Are you showing that me?
No, I want you to pick again.
Okay, you want me to pick again.
These are simple diagrams, like more simple, more similar to flowcharts.
Yeah. Let me just do this. Well, I don't know. The page is okay. This one is resolve software issue.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I hope I can see the okay. Okay. Resolve software issue. So let me just
take your time. First, take your time, then go through with it.
Yeah.
Then explain. Done.
Yeah, done. But what I see in this, I just want to like, are we on the same page?
Sorry.
I said I want to make a kind of comment or no, or a kind of
Okay.
could I say comment or thought? But let me just explain what it is. It's about to resolve an issue, and when a ticket is raised, the ticket needs to be updated, and once the ticket is updated, it has to go through its normal flow by updating it, identifying the issue, determining the resolution, and fixing the problem, and you close the ticket. Now, the second option, the alternate or the is that it? That's not an alternate, but
No. It's like one more process. Okay.
yeah. No, how can I even what the 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 positive and the negative way? Well, how can I decide them? The positive way is which way?
Oh, no. These both are possible conditions and positive things. Okay. If at all, if the issue is happening once again, like reproducing the same issue, then what you're doing with that?
No. What I'm saying is in the real time of BA, the possible way. What term do we use for the possible successful way? What do we call it? How do we describe it? We call it possible successful way. Is that it?
How do we describe an activity?
No, an activity in the positive way, the possible way that is successful. Like this one, create a ticket, update the ticket, know the issue, determine the resolution, fix the issue, verify the fix, and close the ticket. You know, that's the possible.
That's what you have already mentioned the same thing, right? This is a positive approach.
And no, what I'm saying is that in the world of BA, I would like call that sequence that is positive, the positive way. How would I call it? Is it?
Not getting your question, Shola.
Now, my question is this. When I'm drawing a swim lane, when I'm drawing an activities diagram, most times I will possibly have two ways. So that's why I always have decision box.
Okay.
Now, going through the positive way, that's no problem. Once I start, everything is going to the next stage, till I get to the final conclusion.
Okay.
So how can I call that way? Is that a successful way? How would I call it as a BA? That, okay, this is the successful process. Then I want to show them the alternate. I want to show them the second way that might.
Okay. If something goes wrong, okay, fine. See, if everything is perfect, what has happened? If something goes wrong in between, what is happening? These are two cases.
But what are the names that we call them? If something goes on successful, what is the name?
Okay.
How would
Simply you'll mention if everything is fine. I mean, usually what we use is yes or no cases, or true or false. Okay. And again, let's say for example, in this scenario, in this creating a ticket, if at all if there are bugs, how you are fixing that? If at all if there are no bugs, how you are fixing that?
I know. Now, if you see this one,
can you please place your cursor on that? What exactly you want to point out?
Oh, are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now, I said from here down to here, to here, to here, come here, this and this. That is successful path. Right? Good. Now, I'm saying that if I'm just doing a presentation, how will I describe this part? Is this I'll just say, can you look at the successful part of this?
Okay.
How will I professionally describe that? What is what I need to use?
So you start with creating a ticket and see if it is already there, or if you are reproducing the same issue. So if at all, if it is already there and you are updating the current one, then go with this, the update ticket, and then see if you can reproduce or if you cannot reproduce it. If you can reproduce it, you proceed with the same thing again and see if it is already existing issue or not. Then you come up with a solution for that. I mean, determine the solution, explain it, and then fix the issue. And verification process based on the solution. If it is verified, then the issue is solved. Or else again, you go back to reproducing one. If you can reproduce it, that's fine. You identifying the issue and again determining the solution, fix, verify, and resolve it. Or else, if you cannot reproduce it, again you need to go with updating the ticket, and then you need to cross-check whether you can reproduce it now or not. Follow the same processes: identifying the issue, then determine, then fix, and then verify.
Okay. So anyway,
everything leads to closing your final ticket.
everything.
Maybe between you need to update it or simply produce, go with the same ticket or reproduce it.
Okay. Anyway, I get it, but maybe you didn't get the question I'm talking about. Is that my question is, if I have a successful path, how will I describe that? What's the? I just call it. Okay, can you look at the successful path? This is how it goes for the successful path. And then the alternate path is that when you get here, when you get to update and you can't update, you go to reproduce. When you get to identify, you can't identify, you go back to reproduce. When you get to verify, you can't verify, you go back to reproduce. Right? And the whole thing goes again till it comes to close. Okay, I get it, no problem. So I'll fashion it up. But I'm clear with a streamline. So now what I need to ask is that the 3 parameters of streamline are the start, the process box, which can be full rectangle
rounded
or rectangle. Then the decision-making box, and the end box, and the end, what's it called? The end symbol.
Stop.
Stop. Yeah. So those are the 4 major diagrams to use or symbols to use, right? Did you get my question?
Yes.
Okay, so those are the 4 symbols to use in activities diagram.
Yes, all the notations are given in the document. I'm going to share that document, even the explanation to you. You can stop sharing.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm going to be presenter. Chola, please make me presenter.
Okay.
You need to click on my name.
Yeah, you are Trania, right?
Yeah.
Presenter, yeah. Yes.
Thank you. See, I'm going to share this document with you. I have explained each and every notation in detail. Okay?
Okay.
You can go through with this.
Okay then.
So, if you're ready, I'll assign something on this. Is that fine? Yes, Shola?
Come again.
If you're ready with this activity diagrams, I'm going to assign something on activity diagrams.
That'll be fine.
Okay, perfect. So this one you won't be getting it from Google, okay?
Okay, I know. So that's why you are giving me.
Okay. So let me. Okay, so it starts with first. The scenario is related to a leave management system. Okay.
Okay.
Management system. Right.
Okay, leave management system, yeah?
Yeah, leave management system. And an employee is applying for a leave. So there are 2 different types of employees.
Okay.
These two different types of employees are a probationary employee and a permanent employee.
Okay.
So if a probationary employee is applying for a leave, then he is eligible to take only sick leaves, that too 6 sick leaves, 1 sick leave in a month for 6 months.
Do you want me to be writing the requirement?
Yes, yeah, make a note of all these things.
Okay. Oh,
So
sorry, I have a call. Let me quickly take. Hello?
Sorry? Yes, Shola.
Book it, just hold on for me.
Sorry.
Hold on for me, Boom.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Ashwin, just a moment.
Oh, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, okay, fine.
I'm with you. I'm on another call, so I'm sending the question to you. Okay. Bumi, let me talk to me. Talk to me, Bumi. It's 8:30 a.m. in our time. Can it be 9:30 in the morning? 9:30. Oh, really? 8:30 in the morning tomorrow. Okay, you are coming from India.
Sorry?
You know, in the morning, yes, I get it. You know, okay, and it has to be 8:30 tomorrow morning. Okay, let's do 9 tomorrow morning. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Ashwini?
Yes.
Sorry, is the recruiting manager that is calling me.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah.
So shall we carry on?
Yeah, let's carry on.
Okay. So yeah, if a probationary employee is applying for a leave, he's eligible for 6 sick leaves, that to 1 sick leave in a month.
Is that a professional employee?
Yeah, probationary employee.
6 weeks.
Let me write it for you. Yeah, 6 sick leaves.
Okay, 6 leaves. Okay, 6 leaves. I thought
6 sick leaves, 1 sick leave in a month.
no.
If we are applying for more than 1 sick leave in a month, that will be loss of pay.
Yeah, sorry. You said he has 6 sick leaves in a month.
Yes.
So who is having 1 sick leave in a month? Are you there?
Yeah, probationary employee.
Okay, probationary employees. Okay, 1. Okay.
He is eligible for only sick leaves, no other leave.
Okay, no. What I'm trying to say is someone is entitled to sick leaves. 6 sick leaves in a month.
Oh, no. 6 sick leaves throughout his probationary period.
Oh,
Okay.
that's not. I get you now. I get you.
Okay, he'll be under probationary period for 6 months.
I get you now, I get you.
So, 1 sick leave in a month.
Yeah.
And if at all, if he wants to take more than 1 sick leave in a month, that will be loss of pay for him.
Yeah, okay.
And then, and if at all, if he's not taking that leave, not even one, that cannot be carried forwarded to next one. So either take it or leave it.
Is that takeable?
And now send a request to his manager. If his manager confirms the leave or rejects the the leave application, then a confirmation mail or a rejection mail is sent to both the respective employee and also to the HR.
Okay. The rejected and the accepted one. Approved
Yes, yes. Both are sent to the respective employee and also to the HR. And there ends the process for a probationary employee. Oh, sorry. Once the confirmation or rejection mail is sent, I want you to display the leave balance, available leave balance at the end.
Once it's rejected, what do you want to do to the leave balance?
Even if it is rejected also, I want you to send a mail to a rejection mail to the respective employee and also to the HR.
Yes, I got that.
And at the end, I want you to display the available leave balance for a probationary employee.
Okay, available, the leave balance.
Yes.
But, okay, anyways, we'll discuss it. But my understanding is whether it takes it or not, there's no carryover. So the leave balance gets the number of months that is left. Okay.
Yes, every month there will be decrease in one number.
I didn't get that.
Every month there will be decrease in one number.
Yeah, there will be decreasing in one number every month, exactly.
So there is the process for a probationary employee. Now let's look into the permanent employee.
Okay.
Permanent employee, if he wants to take a leave, let's say he's eligible for 6 sick leaves, 6 casual leaves, and 10 paid leaves.
6 sick leave.
6 casual.
Okay, not sick. Okay, you call it casual leave. Whatever I want.
No. It starts with 6 sick leaves.
Okay, 6 sick leave.
And 6 casual.
Casual, okay.
And 10 paid.
And 10
paid.
Paid leave, okay.
Now, if he wants to take a sick leave, he is eligible to take, okay? He need not get a confirmation. He'll just send a mail to his manager that he's going to take a sick leave.
Okay, no confirmation.
Yes. On the day when he's falling sick, he'll just inform his manager that he's taking a sick leave. That's it. And for casual leaves and paid leaves, he needs to take a confirmation. Okay. And once he finishes all his casual leaves only, then only he's supposed to take paid leaves.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, for the sick leave and the casual leave, no approval required. It's just a notification.
No. Only for sick leave, approval is not required. For casual leaves, approval is required. Okay. Casual and paid leaves, approval is required.
Okay.
Yeah, and once he finishes all this casual leaves, then only he can take paid leaves.
Okay.
Casual leaves cannot be carry forwarded, and even only 5 paid leaves can be carry forwarded to next year.
Okay.
Okay.
Sick leave and casual leave cannot be carried forward.
No.
Okay.
And only 5 paid leaves can be carried forwarded. So if the permanent employee is sending a mail to his manager and request a leave, if the manager confirms, then the confirmation is sent to the respective employee and the HR.
Okay. For casual and paid, approval is.
Yes. If he rejects, if the manager rejects.
Approval and rejection.
Yeah, approval and rejection is sent to, sorry, approval mail is sent to both the employee and also to the HR, but rejection mail, if the manager rejects, it is sent to the respective employee, but not to the HR.
Oh, rejection is not to the HR, okay.
That's it. That ends the process for a permanent employee. And finally, again, I want you to display the number of available leave balances. How many sick are available, how many casual, and how many paid leaves at the end. That ends the complete process of a leave management system.
Balance of available leaves. So this requirement, is it for a year or 6 months?
Oh, complete year, 1 year.
1 year, okay, this is for 1 year.
Okay, first put it in a piece of paper. I mean, draw using using all these notations. If you're fine, then you can use Glippy also. Glippy is same as Pidoco. You just need to drag and drop required notations, and you can join them.
Oh, Glippy.
Yes, try it out, okay? Or else you can keep in on a piece of paper, then we'll see how to draw using Glippy.
Okay, so
you can write it. It's very easy, same like Pidoco only.
Oh, so I don't need to use visual.
No. If you have visual, definitely use it. Use visual. It's up to you.
Okay, I have visual.
Perfect. And you can go ahead using visual.
Okay.
And then we'll start with use cases from tomorrow. Use case diagrams in our tomorrow session.
Okay.
Okay. Bye for now. Take care.
Bye. Yeah. Then, Ashwin?
Yes, that's what. Yes, Arjun, I'm about to end this session.
Yeah, I just want to ask you something.
Yeah, carry on.
So in this